You should find out the incorrect statement regarding sulfur compound. Let me first talk about little about allotropy of sulfur. We are studying here three types of sulfur. One is alpha sulfur, another one is beta sulfur, when I will write the formula of alpha sulfur, it is S8. The formula of beta sulfur also S8. Okay. Now S8 means it has a crown shape. It has a crown shape. It looks like this. Okay. So even beta sulfur has a crown shape. So how they are different? They are different in their packing. If you talk about alpha sulfur, the packing will be like this. You have a crown, you have a crown, you have a crown, and so on. When you look at the beta sulfur, you have a crown upside down, you have a crown, then you have a crown upside down, and so on. So you are saying that it may be alpha sulfur or beta sulfur. The formula of sulfur is S8. They are only different by their packing. Okay. At higher temperature also, sulfur vapor will be containing S8 rings. When you take sulfur solid, when you heat it, you will get the vapors of sulfur, right? That vapor also containing S8 rings. When you go for an elevated temperature like 600 Celsius, 700 Celsius, 1000 degrees Celsius, then sulfur exists as S2. When you see S2, it exactly resembles O2, like you are saying that 8 2s are 16 electrons, even number of electrons. Even O2 has even number of electrons, it is paramagnetic. Same as that, S2 is also paramagnetic even when it has even number of electrons in it. Got it? So what I said is alpha sulfur S8, beta sulfur S8. You can see they are only differ by the packing. At high temperature, you will see the vapors of sulfur containing S8 rings. At elevated temperatures only S2 exists. That resembles O2, where we know that O2 is paramagnetic even though it has even number of electrons. Same for S2. Okay, let's come back and see this. The vapor at 200 degrees Celsius consists of mostly of S8 rings. A right statement, wrong answer. At 600 degrees Celsius, elevated temperature, the gas consists of S2 molecule. It's right statement, wrong answer. H2 molecule is paramagnetic. It's a right statement, wrong answer. So option C has to be the right answer. Why? Let's see. The oxidation state of sulfur is never less than +4 in its compound. I will take the example of hydrogen sulfide. I know hydrogen +1, 2 is a +2. So sulfur is -2. They are saying that sulfur in its compound can never be having an oxidation state less than +4. I can see sulfur is having the oxidation state of -2 here, that is less than +4. It is the wrong statement they are giving. So option C I said is absolutely the right answer.